Hi there, I'm Jenny from Satellite Projects, and today I'm going to show you how to hang an artwork. Okay, so you're going to need some tools today: a spirit level, a measuring tape, hammer, pencil, eraser, and some hanging devices. I'll explain the hanging devices a bit later. So we flipped our artwork around to see if it's prepared and ready to hang, and it looks like this one is. It has a wire on the back, so we're good to go. You may need to install a wire yourself using D-rings or some other device. If you need to know how to do that, check out one of our other videos. Right, so pick the spot on the wall that you want to install your artwork and measure an horizon line. Now, my horizon line, the horizon line is normally just where your eye level is. Of course, some of us are short, some of us are taller. In our place, our horizon line is at 1550. So I'm just going to put a little mark on the wall there. We can see 1550, and that is going to be about the centre or the horizon of the middle of our artwork. The next thing we want to do is measure the height of our artwork, and then pull the wire tight and measure from the highest point of the wire to the top of your artwork. Here's the tricky part. Step 1, take the height of your artwork and divide it by 2. Step 2, deduct the distance between the wire and the top of your artwork. Step 3, add your horizon height. That gives you your hanging spot. A bit more about hanging devices. This artwork is fairly lightweight, and we're working with a plasterboard wall which is dry. These devices are excellent for plasterboard walls. If you were trying to hang something on a brick wall or cement sheeting or some other hard surface, a rendered surface, then you really will need some other kind of treatment. You can check out one of our other videos for that. But for this one, we are applying this to a plasterboard wall, so pretty straightforward. I don't even need any of these bigger devices. I'm just going to use this little one here that will carry the weight of this artwork. You can see the nail goes straight through the device. It holds it in place at an angle, so it's sort of got the right kind of, physics and dynamics or whatever to just keep it all in place and to not fall out. All right, we have our magic number, which is 1835 millimeters. 1835, X marks the spot. Actually, I'd marked it a little bit earlier. So where X marks the spot, that is where the bottom of the hook goes, not the nail itself. It's the bottom of the hook. Voila. And now we hang our artwork. Get your spirit level out, make sure that it's level. If you want to keep it in place, a little trick of the trade is a spot of blue tack on the bottom corners. That's helpful to stop it swinging on its hook, particularly if you are hanging this in an area of high traffic or vibrating walls. Well, that was a pretty straightforward hang. If you have a more complex situation, you might want to refer to one of our other videos for hanging on, say, brick walls or cement sheeting. So refer to our website, www.satelliteprojects.org.au. We support living Australian artists. Our motto is love it, buy it. So please go to our website. There's lots of artworks for sale. There are artist profiles. There's information about hanging artworks and all sorts of other resources. So that's all from me right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.